Good afternoon. I guess it's evening now. I'm a little late today. The only ticker I traded today was IGEN. Nothing really else set up very nicely for me. Now, IGEN was a big runner from a couple of days ago. Friday, it had a real big day. Yesterday, it just kind of faded all day. This morning, they came out with another press release. And I hopped into the strength based off from the press release. I averaged 0.007, so right in this area I got in, and I completely botched this trade. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I still finished up $517 up on this trade. And the reason I botched it is I hopped in here with a million shares. So that's a bigger position than I usually take. It's about a $7,000 position, I think it was. Yeah, well, a million times seven is 7,000. I took off some into this spike between right around 7 8, and then it came back down, and I panicked on this one little red candle. So I actually sold 400,000 of my million shares at 0.0072. If I just held out for a little bit longer, that should be $1,000 trade all day. Not that I'm complaining about 522, but I just was a little oversized to be comfortable with that pullback, especially with the liquidity of it. You can see that it was trading about 5 million shares a minute, so it was kind of hard to exit that large of a position. So I was a little oversized for the liquidity of the stock and my comfort level. So I took off some here, and then I saw it starting to turn. So I canceled the rest of my sell order, which was about I think 125,000 shares I had left at that point. And I sold that right around after it broke through 8, and then somewhere right in here in the low 0.008s. Overall, I'm happy that I made money on it, but it could have been so much better. And of course, then it peaked out at 0.0088 and then continued above 9. I believe the peak it hit today was 0.0098, so it couldn't break above the high from Friday of 1 penny. So overall, I made some money on it. It should have been a lot more. It really should have. And then I took another trade in it this afternoon. I bought in, I missed my fill here at 0.0085. I wound up chasing a little bit, but it seemed to be supporting here, so I bought in at 0.009, thinking it was going to set up for kind of an ABCD pattern. You can kind of see, it consolidated during midday on lower volume. Volume came back in, and it was looking like it was going to have an end-of-day surge, so I hopped back in 0.009. I wound up cutting that one 0.008. 7 right in this area somewhere. It rejected here, and then it didn't recover right away, which I didn't like. So I think it was right on like this 1 minute candle that I got out at 0.0087. It did go on to make a new high a day, but it wasn't really convincing. So I'm okay with that trade. I kept my profits pretty safe. Didn't want to roll the dice and lose more. It was a smaller position anyways. I think like 150,000 share position. Just for the high day break, but I got scared out. Anyways, I hope you guys had a good day as well. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Today was a pretty good day. Hopefully it's the start of an upward trend, and we'll keep going that way. I appreciate the support that you guys do show me, so best of luck to you. Tomorrow I will not have a watch list out in the morning. Pursuing a side interest a little bit tomorrow, as usual on Wednesday. But we do have the daily watch lists that come out in the morning every day before the market that I am trading. We also have the daily recaps just like this one. They go over whether I made money, whether I lost money, what was in play, what wasn't. And then also we have the Trading 101 video series, which is building on the basics of trading, and we're adding to that pretty regularly as well. Thank you guys very much. Bye.